It's Eric and Wes with WarriorHeart Travels. And we are in Tampa to go look at some boats to see if we can find one for the loop. And so I'm not going to bother him right now because he's navigating. And once we get there, then we'll, explore that boat and see if it's going to be something that might work. Can you tell us what kind of boat we're going to look at today, honey?
The first one's a Carver 444.
Turn right.
Great. So we will do some videos about that boat, and you can tell us what you think and tell us what kind of boat you used, if you've done this or what you're looking at. We're just curious. And
we're actually in St. Petersburg,
oh,
Florida.
excuse me, we're in St. Petersburg. We flew into Tampa, so great to know. So you guys stay with us, like, subscribe if you want to follow us, see what happens on our journey. We would love to have you on our adventure. Talk to you soon. So the first boat is actually on Treasure Island. How cool. I wonder if we'll see Peter Pan. Maybe windy.
Quarter mile, turn right.
All right, we're here. We're gonna go see this boat. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go see
and
what's
maybe see Peter Pan?
Tinkerbell.
Captain Hook. Bye.